So, I didn't have any video ideas, so I'm just gonna watch UFC Freedom 250. I think the cameras might be a bit too far from me, but I can't put it anywhere else, so sorry about that. I only got 18 subscribers anyway, ain't that deep. Sorry about the 18 people who are gonna get angry at me. Fucking like 4 of them are like my family, so ain't that deep. I'm gonna do like a mukbang as well. Oh, my double chin doesn't show in this angle. Yeah, I'm gonna do a mukbang. Literally, I thought I was gonna miss this fight, but no, I didn't miss any fights. Look how many sweets I've got. Mate, I'm already full on sweets. Like, literally, like, is this microphone on? I honestly have no clue if this microphone's on. I really hope it is. Is it? Oh no, it is on. No, it is on. Yeah, I was just gonna say, I'm already full up and I already feel sick. I ate so many sweets before this as well. Not as big as this one though. Didn't eat a bag full of this. I ate like nowhere near as much as this many sweets, but yeah, I feel sick. So I feel yes, I did not upload for like 5 days. No more good fights of myself, so I was like, oh, it's like the last second thingy. Just like, oh, I'm gonna record myself, watching this. And also, I don't know where the sweets came from. Just like off, just to get the sweets and that. Only fight that I'm like, I like all the fights honestly, but my least favorite fight is probably going to be the Bo Nickel one. I'm so excited for that one. It's just out of all of them, that's probably my least exciting one. So I really like Diego Lopez. I like Derek Lewis. I like that fight. I think it's gonna be very cool. Oh, this one's a freeze dried sweet. Oh, I've literally never had a freeze dried sweet. Oh, that's well funny. Take some ASMR. No, it's not. It's really shit. I thought there'll be a prelims to this fight. I literally looked up like, Freedom 250 prelims fight because I was so strange not it happened as prelims. No, this is the whole card. Crazy. It's crazy that it's on a Monday morning as well. Monday on 1 a.m. Really, just really feeling themselves out, each other out. Oh mate, this banging this nice right. Oh, good right. That's good right across from Garcia. Nothing happening so far. Not too much. Just some kicks here and there. That's a good round. I have no clue who won that round. Really close. Round two, Diego versus Garcia. I have no clue what his first name is. Lopez versus Garcia. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's crap. Oh my gosh. Garcia's down. Garcia's down. I actually called it. Round two knockout. I actually called it. That was actually that was so good. So good. Really good that was. Do you think George Masvidal watches every UFC fight and just watches the first 4 seconds of it, and then he's like, "Oh, he didn't beat my record"? But anyways, yeah. Oh, that was such a good takedown. A good takedown. Got cut already. It's been a minute and a half. Oh, good front kick. Oh, good cross. Oh, he's down. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First round TKO. Wow. I watched the Dustin Poirier and Max Holloway fight live. Pretty good. I think it's actually so stupid that Conor McGregor's fighting Max Holloway. I'm not being funny, first of all. I think it should be Michael Chandler versus Conor McGregor, because it would have been a bigger fight. Michael Chandler's been begging it to have the fight. And it'll be an easier fight for Conor McGregor. And people want to see Conor McGregor win. No, actually, I don't actually know if people want to. No. I think people want to see Conor McGregor lose. That's why they booked the fight with Max Holloway. You know these microphones I bought? They're £10 from eBay. It's crazy. These are actually quite good, I think. Yeah, if Michael Chandler actually uses his wrestling, he should win. Right, fight started now. Wait, Chandler actually fights. So funny. Good leg kick from Chandler. Chandler circling to his right, just taking his time. No good jab. Michael Chandler's got one of the weirdest fighting styles I've ever seen. He's like never, like, he's like 50-50 with commitment. Like, he commits all the way to something or commits semi to something. He doesn't like all the way commit, like, doesn't medium commit to something, like a good shot. He over commits or under commits. Oh my gosh. I did not think Michael Chandler would throw a Superman punch. That's great. That's actually a good shot. Oh, is this where Michael Chandler's going to get knocked out? Oh, good take. Nah, they're back up straight away. That was so. Michael Chandler's just fucking running. That was such a good body shot. What is Michael Chandler doing? Oh, mate, yeah, he's done. He's done. Yeah, Chandler's done. No surprise. Hot Kit is gonna win. Hot Kit, whatever the fuck it is. I think he's gonna win unless Derek Lewis finds like just that one big knockout shot. Really, it's just every fight in it that Derek Lewis is in. I actually hated watching UFC around my mate's house because I went round there. We tried to watch the fight, everything wouldn't fucking work, so we had to watch it on my phone. We watched all of the fights on my phone, my small phone. It was the Justin Gaethje versus Paddy Pimblett fight. And then after the fight, it was like 6 a.m. And then I had to walk home. But I walked 20 minutes like, oh mate, fuck this. And I called a taxi. Wasn't all bad though. I was just really tired. But you know what I mean, I'm grateful because I got a taxi. So I would have been dead if I had to walk. They're saying winning. Oh, good left punch. Just so I could actually know to do a armbar properly with the one. Imagine he gets knocked out in the next round because he doesn't have to do a freaking armbar properly. They're in the clinch now. That was Derek Lewis really getting tired. I know no other way, obviously, it's like, oh fuck, you know. Got rocks. I don't think got rocked, but that was a really good hook from him. Oh, Derek, come on, man. Put a bit more heart into this, mate. Hockey's just piecing him up. Derek just got to go forwards. Because if he just keeps doing... What was that? Oh my gosh. Come on, man. I think he's just too old. Yeah. Oh. What is he doing? I'm not being funny. He won't. Surely not. Surely he won't. I think he just gave up. Mate, obviously I'm not in Derek Lewis' shoes, but it looked like they just weren't even knocked out. They was just accepting. They just wanted to get out. Oh no, not this shit again. Oh my god. That was actually so funny. Fuck the speech. Oh, he's actually being alright. Fuck off. Calling Alex Perez crazy. Michelle Obama is a man. Am I right, America? Ladies and gentlemen, Josh Hogan. So, personally, I think Sean O'Malley is going to win. Alright, fight's beginning now. Sean O'Malley versus Zabib. What? I don't fucking know. Ayman Zabib. Zahib. Something, I don't know. My mouth is so blue. Oh my gosh. My mouth is so blue. Oh! Oh my gosh! That was such a weird knockout. That was out of nowhere. Sean O'Malley felt as though he needed a knockout to potentially secure a title shot. That was a good knockout, to be fair. I don't think Ayman was fully knocked out, though. I think if Sean O'Malley didn't walk away, it would have kept going on. Well, I was going to say, Ayman said it would have to be a clean opportunistic takedown if I was going to pursue it. So I got too tired last night and I fell asleep and missed the last two fights. So I'm just going to talk about them. Alex Pereira versus Cyril Gane. Crazy fight. I did not think Cyril Gane would have won. It's honestly bonkers. Two best fights and I missed them. It's great. And then Ilia Topuria versus Justin Gaethje. No one thought Justin Gaethje would have won. So I was very shocked about that one as well. And also I'm going to try to pass Ayman on subscribers by the end of the year. So help me do that. Like and subscribe for a free cookie.